is half the challenge. The other half is getting the people's support. So it's time again for a mall show at SM Mega Mall. I'm really excited to sing my new songs and I hope na marami ang maka-appreciate sa bagong album ko kasi I poured a lot of hard work and love into it. Hope you'll sing along with me.
Mega Mall para po sa album promo tour ng One Heart. Ito na po yung second time na mag-promote ako ng album. At happy ako na nakabalik ako dito sa SM Mega Mall. Na-miss ko ang pag-mall show. So, ayun. Sana marami ang makanood at makabili ng album.
I sang 7 songs and I played keyboards konti tapos I sang some other songs from my debut album, of course, under Viva Records. And yun, sana sa mga tao dyan, sana supportan niyo po yung album ko. Actually, I feel very blessed and very honored na maging kasapi nitong album promo tour. Dahil, syempre, Sarah is the biggest star right now when it comes to music. And to be opening for her and to be performing for the tour is a very much a big privilege. And I'm so thankful to Viva, to Boss Vic, to Miss MG, and of course to Miss Sarah na nasama ako sa tour na to.
Masaya. Yun yung parang worry ko every time na din na nagpupunta ako sa mall kapag may mga public appearance ako. Parang nag-worry ako na, oh my goodness, meron bang sisipot? Meron bang interesadong makita ako or marinig akong kumanta? So, ayun, thankful naman ako na okay naman yung event.
support me. Mas nagkakaroon ng personal connection at bonding. Kaya I'm really glad to visit SM Mega Mall to meet and greet my supporters. It's so nice to spend time with them. Sa SM Mega Mall, na-enjoy ko talaga yung mga mall shows kasi yun yung pinaka-relax talaga na nagagawa ko as a performer. Siyempre, sa mall, tapos parang abot kamay mo sila, tapos madali silang entertainin, alam mo yun, hindi sila ganun ka-intimidating kasi nga wala, relax lang lahat ng tao, ng audience. Dating niya when it comes to drawing people kasi talagang she has a true heart and she's a really good person.
Sa'yo ay
And of course, hindi lang yun. Dahil yung pagpupursige nila pagpunta dito just shows how passionate they are para na makita lang si Miss Sarah. And of course, nasuportahan ng One Heart na bagong album ni Popstar Princess.
Para sa lahat na dapat umili. Turnout. Mas lalo akong ginaganahan na kumanta at mag-perform dahil sa warm reception at enthusiasm ng crowd. I am energized by the mere presence of everyone, lalo pa sa palakpak at hiyaw ng mga tao. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Thank you for showing your support. I appreciate it very much. Truly, all the hard work has paid off.
For this year. Tapos nakalagay doon, collaboration with Sarah G. At ang sarap ng pakiramdam na na-checkan ko siya sa notebook ko na Red Bull Pen. Alam mo yun? It's a song about love. Real love. Alam mo yung love na parang pakiramdam mo bata ka ulit. Yung pakiramdam mo konting makita mo lang na medyo makulay, masaya ka na. Alam mo yun? Parang yung kanta sa sobrang pagka-in love niya, parang bata ulit yung pakiramdam.
Nag-enjoy lang kami at mukhang gusto naman ng mga tao yung aming collaboration, yung aming yun nga, aming tandem, ganyan. Ang galing niya. Nakakatawa kasi alam na niya yung kiliti ng audience eh. Magaling siya.
Sa show business. I'm from Taguig. Taguig medyo malayo pero kinakaya ko naman yung basta ako nasan si Sarah. Yun, todo support lang talaga ako. Yun lahat. Para sa kanya yun.
sa mall show natin sa SM Mega Mall. So thank you guys for watching. There you have it, guys. Happy ako na marami po ang nakasama natin dito sa mall show at marami din po ako napirmahan na album. So happy po ako. Thank you po sa lahat na bumili ng album ko ng One Heart. And sa mga hindi po nakakakuha ng kopya, please get a copy. Magandang album po. At ayun, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
The new Charmy campaign requires new photos in line with the TV commercial. And this time, I am doing the print shoot naman. It's gonna be an easy breezy shoot kasi madalang i-execute ang concept. In the hustle and bustle of our daily life, it's important to have efficient tools that help us become functional, just like the Charmy All-Flow Dry Net. It's the ideal feminine pad for those who want to still perform at their best even with your monthly period kasi it provides maximum protection. Kaya naman, you don't have to put anything on hold. You are empowered to go and conquer your goals.
Maganda naman, naging okay naman yung TV commercial natin. So I hope na magustuhan ng mga tao. It's basically the same as the TV commercial na with every activity or with any movement that you make, you're really protected with Charmy. So here, we chose the shot with the zip line. Kasi sa commercial, pinakita namin na sa motorbike siya, nag-zip line siya, tsaka she was also dancing. Pero para ma-capture talaga yung, like, in any situation, we chose the zip line for the shoot.
Hello guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa studio ni Mr. Patrick Uy, our photographer, para po sa photoshoot ko ng Charmy. Ayan, all full pads. So, again, tara, let's do it.
Yeah, I did the hair and makeup with Sarah. So, of course, you know, when she was doing a zip line, it's almost like she's not wearing makeup, but it's very natural and fresh.
I've shot her previously in a previous campaign for Charmy also, yung kanyang rain dance campaign. So this is our second time to work with Sarah. Madali siyang trabaho kasi natural sa camera, nandun siya ng mga lente ko. As you can see today, we set up the lights, we had lunch, had hair makeup, and we were ready to shoot. It took us less than an hour to do the take and do an operation.
For us, it's really a new thing kasi it's not only parang it's not just a testimonial of what Charmy is, pero we're really showing na you're really protected with Charmy. And it's something new din for Sarah kasi ilang years na namin siya endorser. So, yeah, she also said naman na this is something new. So yes, ito po nag-tutorial po ako para sa aking bagong Charmy TV commercial with Charmy All-Flow Dry Net. Yun. So, basically, ginawa ko lang po yung ginawa ko sa TV commercial, yung nag-zipline ako, tapos same outfit din, ito, leather jacket, tapos harness. So, yun lang po.
I would say it went very well today, smooth and easy today.
Yes! Finally, tapos na rin po ang aming tutorial for today. Sir Patrick Uy. At maging madali lang po at one layout na po ang ginawa namin today for Charmy. So, easy lang ang tutorial namin at early backup na naman. So, yay!
treasures for me. I am utterly grateful for all the good things that God has sprinkled along my path. Sometimes the path is rough and bumpy since it can't always be perfect. Pero ang importante ay matuto tayong maging matatag para kahit hindi smooth ang daan, kaya nating malampasan ang mga obstacles. God is always there for us, and I thank Him with all my heart for always guiding me. Much love, Sarah.
Kapag may challenges sa work, sometimes you just have to say yes. Pero pagdating sa family and dad, ako ang nasusunod. And what I want is Charmy All Full Dryness, affordable